So just started the recording again. Back with a new topic, that is OWASP Juice Shop, which will revise our previous concepts that we have learned in this week. And I have completed 2 tasks. I'll show you what I have done. These 2 tasks were some basic tasks, and I didn't started clicked on this button basically. So these are some vulnerabilities that this will teach: injection, broken authentication, sensitive data exposure, broken access control, cross-site scripting. Task 3 onward and onwards will require a flag which will display on completion of task. So troubleshooting the app. Okay. So it is directing us to deploy the machine and access the IP. You just do it in a second. So let's go on an adventure. Here there are 2 tasks. What's an administrator email? And if the IP loads, I'll show you the administrator email, how to see that. We'll just wait for 2 seconds. We'll just copy this. We'll move to our Kali machine. Firefox. I have not copied this. Copy. I have connected the VPN also, and okay, so we are here. We have saved the cookies. Cookies are also vulnerable, maybe somewhere. So you can see some reviews like here shows blender@juiceshop.com, juice juice@sh.op. You can see no review here. Admin@juice shop. So the admin's email is admin@juice-sh.op. So we have entered this administrator email here, as you can see, and it was correct. What's parameter is searching when we are clicking on search. So if we use this search icon to search for something, the Q parameter is used. So I have wrote it here. What does Jim reference in his review? So there was a green smoothie in which Jim was referring to a replicator which was first appear in Star Trek, which was a movie maybe. So next we'll move on to the real part of this: inject the juice. SQL injection, log into administrator account. So basically what we'll do is navigate to our Kali machine, open our Bob suite. Just a basic SQL injection, nothing else. Next, start Bob. Till then, we'll just navigate to login page. Here it is. We need to bypass this. Okay. I'll just copy this. Open the browser. Okay. A. We'll just turn on the intercept button. I think I did something incorrect. Open the browser. No, not here. Open this. I'll just turn on intercept and login. Here it is, a post request, email, password. We can try different things here also, or we can send it to intruder to guess the email, guess the payload. I'll just get the payload from that website on which we got our previous payload. Or maybe we'll try some basic payload first and then we'll get a payload. Or 1 equals 1. That's it. Parser field can or cannot be blank. Forward. Just forwarded a request here. We can directly get inject our payload here also. I'll try this. You successfully solved the challenge. Error handling provoked. Provoke an error. Okay, so some flag I have got error handling. Just provoked an error. How? I don't know that. I'll just open my machine and paste and try everywhere. Log into Blender account. What the hell? I got a previous flag or what? I don't think it was a previous flag. This is the first flag that I'm getting. No. I think this is what we needed. Perform a DOM access. No, not this, not this. Not this. I'll just save this flag. Maybe somewhere else we'll get this question and object. We got a flag, but I don't know where the flag is used. So maybe I'll just try some SQL payloads here. The best option here is to copy and paste the payloads, but I am manual typing, when we are not getting a specific payload correct, I'll just copy and paste payloads. Got in that account, I think. Yes, we are here. So what we need to do is log into administrator account. After we navigate to login page, enter some. Okay. Account administrator. There is a flag. I just need to find the flag manually. I am into a random account. I'll just copy this. Okay, so when we try to do something on this IP, there is a pop-up generated on each machine that is each browser that is connected to this IP. So basically we have got this flag. This is not the flag. Where it is. Let's copy this, paste it here, log in to Blender's account. I'll just log in into Blender's account, Bender@Juice Shop, or Blender@Juice Shop, Bender@Juice Shop. Bender@juice sh.op. Login. Object. What is this? We are into Blender's account, I think. Admin. We are in admin account. Sorry. What are we supposed to do? Okay. Understood. Bender @juice sh.op. Then we'll just comment out everything else present in the code. Anything is password. We got the Bender's account flag here. We'll just paste it in our try hack me account, and we got this. Who broke the lock? Brute force admin's account. For the payload which we are using, best 150.txt. Okay. I'll just copy this, and it takes time. I'll show you how I'm setting it up. Maybe I'll search incognito first if I get any results. Here it is, the best 150 passwords. 1050, not 150. Let's open my Kali machine. New nano best 150.txt. Control Shift V. We got here 1050 passwords, if I'm correct. And if we can, we will use Hydra because I am more comfortable with Hydra when it comes to brute forcing passwords. I'll show you how it is done. Yes, Hydra, and as you can see it here, this is what we need to use. Here we are supposed to add the IP. Let's go in here. We'll remove HTTP. We have added HTTP post form. Let's got extra space from here also. We'll remove everything here and add a word list that we just added, which is in our I think it is in our Kali only. 1080 best 1080. Here it is. We got this and admin. I think we have done something incorrectly. So basically what I'll do is I'll just get a request here, post request here, then we'll bring that to intruder and just paste the word list here, and we'll show you how I get the password once I'll get that. Just did the same that I told you and got the password of admin@juice-shop.op and admin123 is its password. We got this flag. I have copied this. I'll just paste it here. We got this resets gym's password. Believe it or not, the reset password mechanism can also be exploited when inputted with email field strong. Gym security is set to your oldest sibling middle name. And when we search the web, we get gmt.kick from Star Trek. Okay, so everything is interrelated to Star Trek. So we need to log in as gym, I think. What is gym's email? Gym only. And let's forward password. gym@juice.op. Security question. Your eldest sibling middle name. Just paste this password, admin, new password, admin. One admin or else capital ADMIN @ 1 2 3, and then here also @ 1 2 3. It is correct. Change wrong answer to security question. Just copy. Looks like brother's middle name is Samuel. Okay. I just gave him GMT Kirk. Samuel. Sorry. Most basic password. Change. Just change the password. We'll try logging in as you said Jim's password. I'll just copy this, paste it here. That's it. Don't look. Web applications will be transmit of sensitive data and securely, but in some cases the developer may not properly protect the sensitive data, making it vulnerable. Okay. Access the confidential document. Okay. Just move this. Click here. About us. We got this here. Legal.md. What is this? Lorem ipsum. So I just read that we are supposed to navigate to FTP. Okay. Oh, there is FTP here. Easter.gg. What we are supposed to do is we'll download acquisitions.md and save it. It looks like there are other files interesting here as well. After downloading it, navigate to home page to receive the flag. Acquisitions.md is what we are supposed to download. How we can download one file? Here it is, acquisition.md. We'll just navigate to home page if there is something different there. Okay, we got this. I'll just paste it here. Submit. Log into Mac Safe Certs account. MC Safe Certs. You can see this is an email. Logging in someone's account, it is very easy because there is something like this present in the website. Without using password, we can also log in into any. Okay. We are here in his account. I don't think we require anything to log in into his account. Are we supposed to log in with password only, or else we successfully solved the confidential thing? Not getting anything else here. Maybe I'll just log in into his account with his password, Mr. Invalid email or password. Getting this thing. So basically there was a reference to this video, rapper who is very concerned of passwords, and it was a quite boring video. I saw the whole video, nothing was there. We just get this password Mr. Noodles, where O's are replaced with zeros. That's it. Download the backup file on ftp pack.json.back. Okay, pack.json.back. Here it is. Create. Got this. Sorry. Navigate to home page. I'll get something. No flag this time. Seems we are met with 403, which says only .md.pdf file are allowed to get this around poison null byte. .md to end with. Pass the code. A poison null byte is actually a null terminator. By placing null character in a certain. Okay, we can open that file there only. ftp. So .md is what we are supposed to write, maybe. Here it is. We have downloaded this file. Just remove this, visit this website again. We got a flag. You have successfully forgotten developer backup. Poison null byte. This was poison null byte. Who is flying this thing? Modern day system will allow. Okay, so you are not able to see the screen. Modern day systems will allow for multiple users to have access to different page. Administrators are most common users to edit, add or remove different elements of the website. You might use these when you are building website with programs such as Weebly or Wix. When broken access control exploits or bugs are found, it will be categorized into two: horizontal privilege escalation or vertical privilege escalation. Broken access control. Application user horizontal, malicious user vertical to admin. Access the administrator page. First we are going to open the debugger on Firefox. Okay. Broken access control. Wait a second. This whole time my microphone was placed incorrectly. Hope you are getting my voice clearly. but no worries, I'll just continue working. There is .js file, main.js, 705.js. Wait a second. Okay, so in what file are we supposed to go? Main dash yes. Main. I don't see anything like that. Escape. I'll just refresh this page. There is an index, there is a main.js. What we are supposed to do is the hint towards a page called administration page. Okay, so we'll just open this. You are not allowed to access this page. We get a 403 as can be by the about, as can be seen by the about path a couple lines below, but going there while not logging it doesn't work. Login doesn't work. As this is an administrator page, it makes sense that we need admin account in order to view. A good way to stop user from accessing this is to only load parts of application that needs to use by them. This stops sensitive information such as admin page from being leaked or viewed. Okay, so we need to log in as admin. I'll just log in as admin. Log out. Account login. Admin @ administration. So here it is. We log in as an admin and we got this flag. I'll just submit this. View another user shopping basket list. Log into administrator account your basket. Make sure BobShoot is running. You can capture the request and okay. Log in as administrator. Your basket. Copy. I'll just open the BobShoot normal version. Proxy. Drop all. Intercept is on. Open the browser. Paste. So basically I'll just repeat the steps of that thing and we'll get the administrator's basket link. Okay, it's quite repetitive task. I'll just visit this and account login admin @users.op. Login. We are here, your basket. Intercept is on. Just load this once again. We got this. Get request. To client get. Actually nothing in here. We can try reloading this once again. Okay. Got nothing here. Just click on your basket. We got 2 to 3 requests here. 1, 2. Let's product search user who am I. Not getting it here. Alright. Login as admin. I have to this. I don't know why it is not working. We'll do it once again. Okay, so copy this. Go to Bob suite. Intercept is off. Open the browser once again. I'll clear everything else. I should have kept that. I'll open this. We were here as admin. Login. We are here as admin. I'll just turn on the intercept and click on your basket. That's it. We get 2 requests here. One is here and we need to send a request to basket 2. Get request to basket 2. So we'll edit this request and forward this. We get this, and if we go here on the website, we got the flag. I'll just copy the flag, minimize this, come here and paste it here. That's it. No, this is not the flag that we want. We successfully solved the view basket challenge. Copy this. It was the above flag. Remove all 5-star ratings. Okay, see, this is something very easy. Administration. We got this, and I'll just paste it here. We got this. Where did that come from? Order history. There are three major types of accesses: DOM based, persistent accesses, reflected accesses, direct object model based. Use HTML and environment to execute malicious JavaScript code. Okay. Perform a DOM based accesses. Okay, so here is the search icon. I'll try a very simple DOM based accesses. If it is working, alert accesses script. No search results found. Okay, so my machine is expired. I'll just restart the machine and we'll start the recording in a second. As you can see here, I'm at the free version. I'll just start the recording in maybe a minute or two. Just got the machine IP. We need to replace everything with this IP. Replaced. Just visit this. We'll open it here. No, not this. There is a specific JavaScript payload that we need to inject in this, which shows that DOM based direct object model based access is present in the website. So basically this is what we need to execute. Here it is. I'll just copy this, paste it here, and we got our first question. Question number 2, perform a persistent XSS. So persistent XSS is JavaScript that is running when the web server loads the page containing it. Then occurs when the server does not sanitize the user data when it is uploaded to the page. These are commonly found on blog post. Okay, so last login IP, and we need to follow some rituals again. Basically, we'll turn this off, open this, remove this, and search. Login as administrator. Okay. These are showing that flags once again. So basically what we'll do is account, privacy and security, and last login. Okay, intercept is on. Account, privacy and security, last login IP. I have turned on the intercept request, and yes, here it is. So we need to modify the what is for the thing that we need to modify? True client IP, but there is no true client IP here. No. Just drop all, intercept is off, open the browser, paste it here, no, not this, the website's URL, and here, open Bob Suit, open this, account, admin, privacy, security, last login. Let's refresh this. We got a single request here. And I cannot find something like to client. There is a cookie, there is a referrer, the forward request when signing back into admin and navigate to login. We are at accesses. Okay. So we can, what we can do is, no, not this. Forward. Logging in as admin again. We'll copy this. And this time I'll just turn this intercept off, search. We are in admin's account, last login IP address, nothing we got here. Okay, true client IP is similar to X forwarded for. As it logs the last login IP, we will now log out so that it logs new IP. Make sure burp suit is on so it will catch the request. It should say IP address is 0.00 or 10.10 something. As it logins the last login IP, we will now log out so that it logs the new IP. Intercept is on. Okay. Intercept is on. I'll just open the Chrome account, log out. We got nothing here. Account login. Forward. We get if none match. I don't get any authorization, host authorization, accept language, accept. Okay. Rest user, who am I? I'll just complete the next task maybe, and this task will do at the end, because I'm not getting anything related to that. From where you see a truck icon, order and payment, log into admin order history, and clicking on that will bring you on to the track result page. You will see that ID where track result ID is equals to this. Okay, so basically what they are saying is we need to log in as admin first of all. Here it is. We'll just replace this from that JavaScript, that is this, and it shows that some access is present on our machine. Now I'll just read this first. Login into admin account. We'll navigate to last login IP page for this attack. Okay, it should say last IP address is 0.0.0 or 10 point something, and as it logs the last login IP, we will now log out so that it logs the new IP. What the hell is this? Make sure the burp is on so it will catch logout request. We need to catch the logout request. Okay, then forward the request to the server when signing back into the admin and navigate into last login page. Why do we have to send this header? Okay, there should be something related to this. Last login. I got nothing here. I'll open the buff suit. Drop all. Intercept is on. Just click on account logout. We got a logout request. Except when coding, there is nothing like X forwarded for or thing like that. Authorization bearer, something is present. We have tried 2 to 3 things, but nothing is really working in this case. Oh, we got our try hack me IP here. I'll just reload this page. We got nothing in here, but this time as soon as I log out I'll get something interesting maybe. Accept encoding referrer connection. Just try logging in once again as administrator. Intercept is off. Account. Login. I'll just turn off the intercept on this. We get this here, and maybe we'll just reload this. We get forward. I'll just forward every request. The last thing is very time consuming. I'll just do this and will show you how it is done. Got this flag. It took me 2 minutes extra. As soon as I stopped the recording, we got this. I'll show you how I did this. Maybe if when we log out, we get a request here of logging out and intercept is off. I'll just open once again the browser, copy this, this is not for our use. We can use this browser also. I'll just log in as admin here. You can see everything is pretty basic till now. I'll just turn the intercept on and log out. We got a save login IP. We'll just add a not user agent. What was it? True client IP. True client IP, then our JavaScript payload here, and when we forward this, we get this flag when we load this page last login IP. So basically I have did this pretty fast. Now moving on to exploration. If you wish to tackle some of the harder challenges that were not covered within this room, check out the scoreboard. Okay, so we'll just check out the scoreboard. Here you can see complete task as well as other tasks in varying difficulties. I'll just paste it here. Let's see. Oh, I'll paste it here. We will see what is in here, and if something of our use is there, we will surely upload. I'll surely show you. Okay, so we'll just open the Kali machine. Hacking challenges, coding challenges. Challenge is solved. There are 172 challenges. Okay, bonus payload. Privacy policy, breach ad bot. Okay, so this was a basic attack, and if you guys remember, in the starting of the video I got an error flag. Maybe one of the challenges was solved. So Juice Shop is a big thing. So I have decided something, as we will complete something like CSRF or something like that, we'll come and do that on this website and check out on scoreboard. I'll just write that in my notebook, and that was it for this video. We'll see you in the next.